Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll keep it simple, step by step, so you can follow along easily and get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Gemini account. Also, double-check that you have Litecoin in your Arculus wallet. If not, you'll need to acquire some first. Remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential delays, so always verify details before proceeding. Let's get started. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your secure credentials. Once inside, navigate to your Litecoin holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Tap on it to begin. Next, you'll need the Gemini wallet address. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the Litecoin deposit address. Be extra careful here. Pasting the wrong address could send your funds to the wrong place, and that's not recoverable. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. Arculus might show you an estimate, so choose a speed that fits your needs. Review everything on the confirmation screen: the amount, address, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, keep an eye on your transaction status. You can track it using blockchain explorers like Litecoin's official one. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Gemini account, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Litecoin from Arculus to Gemini. If you run into any issues, reach out to the support teams for each platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.